Hey guys, what's up? It's John, and yeah, I'm back. So, I guess in twofold. Back from deployment and back into the world of Mercedes. So, want to try and keep this video short and sweet. Do a quick overview of the car. If you guys have been following on the other like social media stuff, Instagram, Facebook, and whatnot, you already got a hint on what I've got. So I just got back from my dad's place in Georgia. Was working on his 05, what the hell is that thing? SL550 convertible. He just got that a month ago or so, and yeah, convertible and hydraulics are going to shit. So this video ain't about that. Let's get to what I keep looking at over here. So there's been a lot of car shuffling since I was last on here. Don't even remember what we left off with the wife drive. Ended up picking her up a 2015 Discovery Sport. Something easy, economical, put a new turbo in it, picked it up cheap. That's it. Video's not about that one either. Video's about this one. It's a 2000 ML55 AMG. Sorry for all the traffic noise. I live right by the highway. Fairly good condition. I mean, for the most part. She's not a gem. Got some sweet patina. And let's just hit the worst part first. Rear bumper. It's trashed. Somebody tried to do a quick little repair on it. But if you guys know me, you know that bumper ain't staying on there. Neither are those tires. And neither is the exhaust. Neither is a lot of other things. If you guys remember the ML4 Dirty, picture something similar with an extra 100 horse and some sweet fender flares and a hand-built AMG motor. That's going to be this one. So, figured I'd start off by doing a list of mods front to back. Of course, we're going with a winch bumper. Those will be back for sale as soon as I find a place to get all my parts laser cut again. That's not the easiest thing in the world. It's pretty damn expensive. So I'm trying to find the most affordable options so I can keep the bumpers affordable for you guys. Moving back from that, headlights. I'm going to actually do a quick little trick and see if I can't get these things not so yellow with my buffer. See if it works out. If it works out, cool, but I am going to probably just take these out and put them up for sale. They work perfectly. They're just not my style. Moving back from that, course, tires. I'm not a huge fan of these wheels either. They look just very plain, very 2000. That makes sense. I actually do prefer the ML430 wheels a lot. I think they look a lot more truck-like. Interior, it's what you'd expect. It's pretty dang clean. Mileage is pretty standard, 176. Everything works, no check engine lights. Radio, probably not staying. I'm going to have to actually figure out what you guys have been doing for the Bose system. One of those little integration units to get it to go with the fiber optic or something. If that's the case for 2000, it may not be. So this looks exactly like the radio out of the ML430. It just depends on what the hookups are in the back. So if you guys know, just put it in the comments below. So disregard the mess on the floor. Like I said, I just picked this up. Haven't even had a chance to clean it up yet. A guy was using it as his work truck. Kind of just throwing tools and stuff in. Which works out perfectly. He needed a truck and I didn't. And he had this to trade. So it's not perfect, but it's perfect for Infidel Garage. You know, who would want to take a perfect ML55 and do what I'm about to do to it? Not many people. I wouldn't mind, but at least I want to get flamed in the comments. Doors got to get fixed. Everything works on it. Nothing wrong with the window or the lock. I think we just got to get some new grommets. Put that back in. Yep, got to get new struts. And the back's fairly clean too, so that's all we can really ask for. I have a spare tire. That thing's not going to hold a 35, so probably put this thing up for sale soon. And you guys know the exhaust isn't staying stock. That's coming pretty soon. Gonna get a Y pipe in there, get rid of that muffler. Don't know about the resonator in the back. We'll see how it sounds with it, and then that might go bye-bye too. Let's get a shot of what it sounds like right now stock. Did y'all hear something? And your shit. Nah. I don't like it. Muffler gone. Has to go. No way. There's no way it's staying that quiet. Not in a million years. Alright. So, ordering the Y pipe today, as soon as I put the phone down. But for right now, gonna get after something I can get after, which is these headlights. Trying to get those things looking a little bit better. Going?
Yep.
Fantastic. So went to the old Jungle website and picked up new headlights. Nope. Just kidding.
Oh.
What is this? So, literally gonna show you guys real quick. How long did it take, Owen? A minute?
Like not even like 30 seconds.
So if you can spare 30 seconds of your time, save yourself a bunch of money. Run down old Harbor Freight, pick you up a nice little buffer. Get you some compound of some sort. Yeah, that's chemical, guys. Stuff works. Oh, you better keep your eyes over here. They won't think I swapped it out for a clean one. Get that stuff all up in there real good like that. It just helps so it don't sling everywhere. Alright.
Here we go.
Barely any pressure. Just let me do it swing. There you go. How about that?
Oh, nice. And clean on the Mercedes.
Heck yeah. Come look like a new truck. Kablam. Just took 20 years off. So get the headlights cleaned up. Do some detailing under the hood. It's nice to see everything is factory. Nothing's been goobered with. Except for one little wire. I don't know what that's for. That doesn't look Mercedes to me. Gonna have to trace that thing and figure out where it goes, what it's for. No idea. Yeah, everything under the hood seems like it's in pretty dang good condition. A couple of zip ties, maybe. I haven't worked on this, have I? Nope. Probably not. Anyways, I'm gonna pop the engine cover off, probably get that all cleaned up, sand down the intake, make it look nice and new and pretty. Not gonna go with the whole, you know, black paint and mustard splatter all over it like I did before. Yellow wouldn't look good on this thing. And yeah, the paint is a respray. I can tell from several areas. Well, yeah, that little guy there. Some other stuff. Some other spots over, like some weather stripping. Not a huge deal. But if that makes you enthusiasts feel better, I'm not about to lift and, you know, molest a perfect ML55. Okay? This thing is by no means perfect. Don't get your feelings hurt. It's going to be awesome. So, if you're interested in seeing this thing transform similarly to the ML430, stay tuned. She will be on 35s. Don't know if we're keeping the wheels. It's going to have much nicer sounding exhaust and some other, you know, tasteful modifications. Don't know what those are going to be yet, but tasteful, I'm sure. Guys, it's great to be back. Honestly, an ML55, it's something I've wanted for years. After first getting that ML430, good power, solid rig, but knowing that there's a 55 out there somewhere with my name on it, I knew I was going to get one day, and she's right here. So stay tuned for more build content. If you can, help the channel out. It's free to you. Hit that little like and subscribe button down there. Helps the channel out, helps me out. It's going to help this build out. So if you guys want to see this thing lifted on 35s doing cool shit again, like and subscribe, man. It's coming.